David Hayes. I'm a professor of entrepreneurship and innovation for Africa Business School. I had the pleasure of working with JESA in the program for growth mindset, high-performing teams.
My name is Leonardo Lieberman. I come from Chile. I'm an associate professor of Africa Business School at UM6P. I work within the field of organizational behavior, human resources management, and international management.
My name is Yunus Munsheh. I am 48 years old. I am an industrial engineer for more than 25 years of experience in industry. Actually, I am chief quantity surveyor in JESA for more than 10 years.
Jawad Bachi, I joined JESA since 2019. Also, I started expatriation in Africa like Benin and Senegal 3 years before. As someone who invests heavily in cost, scheduling, delay analysis, FIDIC, international contract law, etc.
Omar Bennouna. I'm a cost control manager at JESA. I was very eager to participate in the MAP program at Africa Business School, mainly to collaborate with a unique group of individuals in order to develop myself and in turn help develop my team and those around me.
The idea with this course is that participants acquire knowledge and skills related to the staffing process, performance management, and intercultural scenarios.
We reflected individually about who we were, and then we decided what our vision would be for the future. We converged with what JESA's vision was also. We worked together to become members of high-performing teams, and then we found out about how to take action.
I asked myself before starting this module, what this module would add to me. I can confirm that this module has brought a radical change in how to view the teamwork. Draw module like self-awareness, collective intelligence, and high-performance teams. This holistic approach has allowed me to change, draw, work, and interact with others.
My achievement of Africa Business School was very interesting and exciting. That am inspiring me every day in my life. Since I started this some months ago, I discovered many skills and new managerial tools that will help me in my daily exercise of my job in JESA.
Participants had hands-on experience activities that allowed them to refine their managerial expertise within these fields.
One of my biggest takeaways is the general idea of self-awareness, or just understanding yourself, because this is where self-development starts and what can make you apt to help develop your team. And of course, we had some fun group activities where we were able to build some skills, which is always welcome.
It was a pleasure. We had a very diverse audience. That audience brought different perspectives on JESA. In turn, we were able to give the individuals confidence, able to empower them with skills and things to think about their future, have them combine together as teams to go out and create great things for JESA. So it was my pleasure working with the program.
For future students, I encourage you to seize this unique opportunity with Africa Business School to develop your skills as a professional but also individual. Thank you.
This session was taught by very competent and diverse teachers that I thank them for my heart. Thank you, Africa Business School. Thank you, JESA.
So I'd just like to thank the Africa Business School team, the whole team, for this learning journey and this session.